Hey flirts, it's Jamie, CEO and founder of Flirty Passion, and I just wanted to get on here real quick after my shower and while I'm sitting here in my creative space to let you know and tell you about this mini hemp seed mini mania set that we have to offer. It's 100% vegan. It has bath and shower gel, hand and body lotion, a 3-in-1 massage candle, and the hemp seed lip balm, right? So this mini set is freaking awesome. It's great if you want to keep something in your purse, your travel bag, anything like that, because it's small. You can carry it around. It comes with this, mini candle. So when you're traveling, sometime you're in your room and, you want a nice scent. The scent is Isle of You. It kind of reminds you of, a paradise mixed with a hint of vanilla type thing, right? Now, why I came on here to tell you about this is because the bath and shower gel, you don't need too much on your loofah. The lather is just amazing. It's enriching. It has oh my gosh, it just feels super silky, right? Then you have your hand and body lotion. Now this hand and body lotion is good to just keep in your purse, keep when you're traveling, just anything. It's small, it's petite, and I love it, right? But the thing I like about this mini mania kit is not only do you get that, but you also get the 3-in-1 massage candle. When you have those little nights traveling with your boo, your little vacations, you got your candle. 1, it smells amazing. 2, it's a massage oil. And 3, it's super enriching. It feels good. This was burning. It burns at a low temperature. You rub it in. It feels freaking amazing. Say, for instance, you don't have access to your lotion at the time, but you need something to put on your skin because it's a little dry. Got you covered, right? But then you have this lip balm. Now, this lip balm, I love this lip balm. One, you know how some lip balms are a little, kind of chalky and it gets on your lip and you see little pieces and stuff. Ugh, you don't have to worry about this. This right here, you put it on, has a little shine to it. It smells good, tastes good, because we always taste stuff, right? But it's the hemp lip balm that feels amazing. The ingredients are moisturizing. Everything feels great. I just had to come on here to check it and let you guys know exactly how this feels. Now, not only is this available in the mini set, but you can, purchase them separately too. But I always say try before you buy. Try it before you go too big. So this is the 100% vegan hemp seed mini mania kit. Guys, go check it out. Let's get flirty.com. I will talk to you soon and have an amazing day.